In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down a video in CapCut. So if you want to go and create a slow motion effect in CapCut, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and open up our project. And once you have your video in the timeline like this, we can simply click on the video and in the bottom navigation, scroll across to speed and click on this. Now, there's two effects that you can use when you want to slow down a video. You can either click on normal and then you can go and slow down the entire clip at the same speed throughout the entire video. Or another way to do this is you can click on curve instead, click on custom, and now what you can do is adjust the points in this video to either slow down or speed up the video. So this will allow you to set the video slow motion in certain places, and then you can go and speed it up in other places as well. So this basically just gives you more control over the speed of the entire video, and then you can go and press done in the bottom right hand side. So that's how you create a slow motion effect in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.